All right, so looking at your figurative language note page, your figurative language notes here, I've given you the definitions. And I took a lot of these definitions from what you guys have said during discussions, what you have down, and also confusion you guys have had while going over the first figurative language, okay? I gave you the definition, so this part is the notes that I'm giving you. Now you need to go find 3 examples of each, okay? You need to find 3 examples of each. That way you can start to retain what each one is. Okay, so that alliteration is the repetition of sound, either at the beginning of the word or that the words sound alike. Hyperbole, I think most of you are getting that it's an exaggeration. One of the areas that we struggle with is on idiom, common phrases, raining cats and dogs. That's lit. I mean, that's a newer one, right? Like maybe you guys aren't even saying that anymore amongst each other. You know, spilling tea is still one that I kind of hear from time to time. Oh, it's the Chromebook for me. That's become the newest one of like throwing an insult out by saying it's the iPhone for me. It's the Toyota Prius for me. That's what I drive, Manny. I often get made fun of because of it, but that's okay. Metaphor is comparing 2 things without like or as. Without, you don't use like or as. Now be careful though. It has to be comparison between 2 things that are not alike. Okay. And then onomatopoeia, bang, pop, pow, snap. They're sound words. Personification. Here's what I'm seeing with personification is that you guys are giving non-human objects human-like qualities. So to say that someone is standing stiff as a board is not a personification. You're giving the human qualities of the board. Now, if you were to say that board is as hard as my skull, that would be giving human-like qualities. Or the wind howled through the night. Humans can howl. It would be personification. What's up? Okay, I'll be right there. Looking at simile, that's when you're using the like or as, and then you've got to tell me why we use figurative language using an H response. So use the examples from above. And that's it. Okay? Questions, concerns?